Ticket number 264. Can you have fun, the 430D?
And thank you.
So, welcome back to another competition draw on a Wednesday afternoon. Quite a big one, random.org. Already got it on there. Just refresh. So everyone knows we're being completely transparent. Ticket number 264. Quite an early entry. Let me double check. 264. Ticket number 264 is Harry Wakeman that bought 2 tickets. So for the sake of £10, he's going to be picking up a very nice spec 430D. So seeing as though this is a car competition, we'll try and give him a call. It's ringing, good start.
Many hours later.
Might think they're ringing me twice.
Hello?
You alright, is that Henry?
It is, yeah.
You alright, it's Danny calling from Darkside Developments.
Oh, hello mate, you alright?
You alright, yeah, not too bad yourself?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Uh,
Sorry, I'm just walking out of work.
Alright, right, no problem. Have you got any ideas why I might be calling you?
Yeah, I can't believe it. I'm honest with you. Incredible.
I haven't told you yet.
That's true, that is true.
I might be ringing you to say there were a problem with your ticket entry.
Yeah, that's very true. Hopefully not.
No, I'm just joking. You have won the 430D.
You're joking.
No.
I can't believe it, honestly can't believe it.
Yeah. So yeah, ticket 264.
Yeah, that is fantastic.
264. It looks like you bought 2 tickets, so a tenner.
Yeah.
Pretty good going.
Can't believe it, mate. I can't believe it. Cheers.
Yeah, no problem. No problem at all. So you are live as well. You're so thank you for not swearing.
Yeah, cheers. I think my old man bought a ticket as well. I think he's probably watching it too.
Oh, did he? What are you doing? Are you sharing it then, or is it just yours?
I think it might just be mine, yeah.
I can't blame you, to be fair. It is a nice car.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Yeah, no problem. Right, we'll, like we normally do, we'll not go over all the personal details and everything on the phone, so I will drop you an email later this afternoon. We'll arrange a date for collection, make sure it's clean and everything for when you get here, and yeah, sort it from there.
That's awesome, mate. I can't believe it. Lost for words. Cheers.
Yeah, no problem. I'll let you sink in anyway, and I'll be in touch soon.
Yeah, no, that's great. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Alright, no worries. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Buzzing. £10 car. I mean, who won't be happy with a car for £10? Right, congratulations, Henry. A little bit of a different handover for the competition car this time. So instead of the winner coming to us and picking it up from the HQ, he's actually going to meet us at Silverstone. So tomorrow is the Birkett Relay. As a little Brucey bonus for the winner, we've given him and a friend tickets to come and spectate at the Birkett. And obviously, while he's there, he's going to come and pick up the car. So it actually works out a lot closer for him to come to Silverstone than it does to come up here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to make the Birkett. I'm going to be at another event over this weekend. So I'm going to hand over to Ryan to give the keys to the winner. Hopefully, he should be happy with it. I can't see why he wouldn't be. It's a really, really nice car. It's pretty fast. It's still very good MPG. So yeah, he should be over the moon with that. So I'll pass you over to Ryan at the Birkett tomorrow.
So we're at Silverstone and Henry's here to get his car. Congratulations, mate.
Cheers, man. Thank you.
No, you're welcome. Here you go.
Thank you very much. I'm Yeah,
How many tickets did you buy?
I bought two.
Two?
Two tickets.
Two.
Yeah, literally
so it's tight
just
and
two.
it's still won.
I know. It's incredible, isn't it? It's the cheapest car I've ever bought.
Is it?
It is, yeah.
Well, if you're not happy with it, we'll give you your £10 back.
Yeah,
no problem.
all right, yeah.
And we'll take it away. We'll not give you any hassle.
Yeah.
You know, no making you wait or anything like that. So.
No, this is incredible, mate, honestly.
Yeah.
I've been watching the YouTube for ages.
Oh, have you?
Yeah,
Sweet.
no, I have, yeah. I've got a A4 B8 Kappa, like
right,
your
nice.
A5,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
red
sweet.
one that you did, so it's
that'll
right
be
up my
going,
street.
and this will be staying.
It is, yeah, it's up for sale, yeah, we're keeping
nice.
this. This is fantastic.
Nice. Well, if you want to push it any further, there's still a few mods left on the table with this, like.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, no, this is incredible. I can't thank you guys enough.
You're on YouTube now, mate. No bother. Go on, sorry.
No, yeah, just thanks. It's amazing.
Yeah,
honestly.
sweet. Well, it was one of those customers who just said, I've been trying to sell it, see what you can do for us, and it just worked at just right time that one of those other project cars weren't quite ready, so yeah. Hopefully you'll enjoy
Lucky
it.
me.
And exactly.
I love it, mate. I love
Exactly.
it.
But everybody who's won the cars have all appreciated it. They've been pretty good, to be fair. So really happy.
Mate,
So
it's
you'll get a drive in it, see what you think.
Yeah.
And let us know. I'm sure you'll be happy anyway.
Oh, ecstatic, mate. Absolutely ecstatic. I can't believe
Thanks
it.
again anyway.
Yeah, no,
friend.
cheers, mate. Thank you. And good luck with the rest of the race.
Yeah, I need it. I'll be out in car in a minute. So I'm like, oh, where do I need
in
to-
between. Yeah. No,
It's an
cheers.
So, as you've just seen, Henry's picked up his new car. We didn't have time at Silverstone to do an ending. It was pretty chaotic, and Ryan had to go and get in one of this race car and go out on track. Hopefully, we might see Henry in the near future if he brings it back up to us for some more performance upgrades. But for the time being, I'm pretty sure he's just going to enjoy it how it is. Make sure you check out the link in the description for our future weekly competitions. Hopefully you like this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.